everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Udita and you are watching Udita's Classroom. Guys, hope you are all well. Today I am here for representing a job notification which has been announced from a renowned company, but one thing is that the post is very short. The vacancy is very short. Only one post is declared here as a vacancy, but a huge amount of salary structure will paid here. What is the job, who can apply, and who are interested, what is the qualification, experience, age relaxation, all the things will be discussed in this video. So guys, keep watching this video till the end. If you newcomer in my channel, so guys, please subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon just besides the subscription box. When I will put any type of job notification and engineering tutorial as well as some tips and tricks how to crack exam, you will be notified at that time. So don't waste time. Let's get started. Guys, 25 years experience person who has already passed his 25 years in some power plant, some industry only can apply for this job. And this post is some lead consultant of the BHEL industry. BHEL. BHEL industry has announced the only one post for the lead consultant where qualification must be BTech or MTech can apply for this job with 25 years industrial experience can apply for this job. Salary 1 lakh per month will be paid as a salary structure, and I will go in details the allowance for the salary. And location only the New Delhi, and the last date of application is 14th October 2019. Now come here, the qualification details. The retired executive from PSU or autonomous organization, central or state government, or member of the national level professional institute or any other organization including private sector meeting following eligibility can apply for this job. Age, where applicant born on or before 31st December 1955 are not eligible to apply. Qualification, obviously full-time bachelor or master degree in technology and more than 30 years in the field of power sector, preferably having working experience of power sector based project or eastern region of India of apex level project management, and the applicant should also have some experience of project management, project execution, troubleshooting with 600 megawatt higher rating thermal project and the power controlling capability. If we pointing out emoluments, where the lead consultant should be paid according to 1 lakh per month with some allowances, where HRA and including GST, company transport for official use, HRA, company accommodation, etc. shall also be admissible as per company politics. If we pointing out the period of engagement shall be 1 year, which can be further experienced by a period of 6 months at a time or till the company of assignment. Job profile, consultant shall provide some expert advice and guidance and execute some project, help to troubleshoot of the BHEL organization, and where total the job notification, total job profile will be discussed in the PDF. I will give the link from where you can download the official notification and you will just check this out, and I will also mention the total information in the screenshot in my video, so just follow the video. There is also some general instruction is mentioned here. And if we pointing out the selection procedure, that mainly the selection board of the BHEL Institute will call the selected candidate after shortlisting the applicant, and where the interaction session will be happened. And how to apply? Last date of application will be 14th October 2019, and I will give the link where you can apply. Then shortlisting candidate will be invited for the personal interaction, which will be occurred in the BHEL Institute and in front of the selection board of BHEL. So all the best, guys. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Keep watching my videos till the end. Take care. Goodbye.